This video, we'll go through the term, what is a tee box and where did that term come from? Well, tee box is a dedicated area at the start of each hole where the player is allowed to place their ball on a tee, or maybe they don't want to put it on a tee, and it is their first shot for that hole. Officially, the rules of golf state that it's the teeing area. It is defined by 2 tee marks and 2 club lengths deep. So you can go back 2 club lengths deep, typically with a driver. The ball should be in between these markers, and it can be teed on a peg, like a wooden peg or tee, and placed on the ground. Every hole should at least have 1 tee box, but several, or the ladies' tees, professional tees, the back tees, mostly see 3 to 4 on a club, professionally. The history of a tee, well, dates back to early Scotland in the 1600s. There was no formal tee boxes back then. Players would tee off the common ground, and they would place sandbags to start off the hole. The location became known as a tee long and eventually moved into pegs and boxes where exist. 19th century, markers started to appear. Golf clubs then formed and golf courses were organized. Clubs then started placing stone markers or wooden markers to standardize where players start. This became consistent and eventually started to make damages to the turf and the ground, which began the birth of the designated starting area, but yet wasn't called a box. The term box was informal and logical. It was a rectangular area. The player needed to visualize it. A box was easy to remember, and the 2 club lengths made it very easy. Even today, rule books state that it's a teeing area, and golfers say tee box. It's classic language in golf at work. There's been a lot of adjustments since more difficult tee boxes with water hazards could play a factor, and championship tees allow players with difficult skill levels at the same hole. That's why it's important to have tee boxes, and it also helps with controlled pace of play. Overall, you should know that a ball must be within a tee boxing area, and you may stand outside the tee boxing area when hitting. And more importantly, you can hit the ball at any length. Playing outside the tee boxing area, though, with the ball can result in a 2-stroke penalty. Overall, a tee box is the only place where the ball has a perfect lie, where strategy begins, and consistency in scoring also with strategy. Overall, if we were to put this into one quick sentence of what a tee box is, it's an official teeing area. It's elevation, and originally started as sand piles in early Scotland, which was designed as a rectangular starting area that we use today, shaping strategy, and more importantly, every hole begins with a tee box.